This is your robot. This is your pet. This is your Petbot. Nah, this is your Petbot. This is Luna. She's gonna be your new best friend. When Luna wakes up, she stretches and sneezes, you know, like a pet. Then she hears the door opening. It's you! Luna is excited and comes running to greet you. Pat her on the head. She loves that. As you walk around, Luna tags along. And no matter where she's at, and she'll come running. Luna is an incredible pet who just happens to be a robot.
Luna.
She's very well trained and listens to both vocal and gesture commands. And whatever she feels, she'll let you know with her eyes, ears, and legs. Wanna play? Luna loves to play. She's incredible at trivia. Luna also loves to fetch. Where's the ball? Where's the ball, Luna? Go grab it. She's a master laser light chaser. I'm gonna catch you, laser light. And so much more. Worried about your home when you're away? Want your other friend to have a friend when you're not home? Or just want some communication from afar? Your new best friend got your back.
Where are you coming home?
I'll be home at 6.
With a simple drag and drop based on Google Blockly, you can teach Luna to do anything you can imagine. So this is Luna. She's friendly, super cute, a new family member.
Meet Robot. Imagine a pet like no other. Robot is the world's most advanced AI robotic pet, created with one purpose: to be your one and only love. Robot can respond to your every touch with a lifelike softness and warmth that makes Robot feel as real as any pet you've ever known. Robot has emotions. Robot might be upset, act a little shy, but with a gentle coaxing, a bright, joyful smile comes right back. The advanced AI technology makes Robot smart and so special. With a multi-sensor system, Robot can see, hear, and feel everything. With an advanced AI emotional and behavioral engine, Robot can learn about the environment, recognize persons, and make smart real-time decisions. Robot remembers everyone it meets. But you'll always be its favorite. Robot feels your joy when you're happy. And when it gets a little too excited, it might even blush or playfully pout. But no matter what, it's always right there by your side, sharing life's moments. Picture this, you and Robot watching the rain fall outside.
Wow, what a Captain Rainy Day.
Or getting lost in a great show. It loves nothing more than to curl up in your arms. When you play your favorite music, it will dance gracefully with you. When the day winds down,
Can you talk to animals, like pigs, for example?
I'm having a delightful chat with an adorable piggy right now.
a gentle stroke is all it takes to lull Robot into peaceful sleep, joining you in a world of dreams. And with its app, you can track Robot's diary in real time. Robot is also full of surprises, always finding new ways to make you smile. You can fully customize Robot's eye and voice styles. Especially, you can change the outfit of your Robot. Want to introduce Robot to your friends? Go ahead. Robot might just spark new connections and bring.
Meet YouGot, a versatile AI robotic kit. Featuring a unique modular design, and it's easy to assemble. You can build the quadruped robot in 2 minutes. Awaken it with just one click on the app, and it's capable of 360 degrees far-field audio recognition. By replacing a few parts, you can transform it into an engineer vehicle. Pick up a bone easily and play with your dog with YouGot. Here comes the wheeled and legged robot you have never seen before. It can perfectly balance while go over the uneven terrains. You can also experience the FPV mode with the YouGot app. With face recognition, YouGot knows you and who to play with. Invite your loved ones to explore with YouGot. From Python to graphical programming, both adults and children can interact with. AI gesture recognition. Need more fun? No problem. Here's the transforming car. It is capable to go over obstacles, drive over gravel, climbing mountains and crossing puddles.
Mufflin is an AI pet with emotional capacities similar to human beings and animals. Mufflin utilizes GA or genetic algorithm to learn and grow. This DNA evolves like human DNA as it takes in data from experiences. Therefore, every muffin has its own unique personality, like you and I, or Johnny the cat over here. Muffin is constantly using its interactions to determine patterns and evaluate itself, its movement, change based on its evaluating data. This here is how Muffin changes. Muffin is sensitive and can provide tremendous therapeutic benefits, not just for the elderly, but also for children, because it teaches responsibility, compassion, and discipline. We are currently exploring the range of therapeutic benefits. With Muffin, it's easier to be a happier you and easier to make your dream come true. My dream is to bring Muffin to you. Your contribution goes towards developing a product that doesn't exist in the current marketplace and has the potential to change lives and bring people closer together. Please take a look at our Kickstarter page and consider a contribution to get Muffin.